Good morning to all. I am Pachaiyammal from G.K.Jain school. Today I am going to teach Treasure Trove poem from 4th standard unit 2. Treasure Trove. Students, do you have the reading habit? Yes, students, this poem is about the reading habit. Students, reading habit is very interesting one, isn't it? Yes, because when we are reading about something like comic books, while we are reading, we are involving deeply within the book. Because next what will happen in the story? Like that we are reading, we are searching and eagerly waiting for the next scene about the story, any topic of the book. Isn't it? Yes. Okay students, come to the poem. Let's see first stanza. Read when you're happy, read when you're sad. Learn about space, land on moss. Picture on auto race, zoom with cause. What the poet was said, read when you're happy. Students, when you're happy, you read the books. It will make pleasant of mind. Read when you're sad. Students, when you're sad, that time you can read the books that will change your sadness, and you can relax yourself by reading the books. Come to the next line. Learn about space. Learn about space. Students, something you can learn about space and you can learn about the moss. Already you know about the space, isn't it? In the previous lesson we have seen about the space and moss and all. Isn't it? Yes. Through the reading, you have to know about various things and you get the new information or you get the good knowledge through the reading books. Isn't it? Yes. That will be like a auto race. See the next line. Picture on auto race, zoom with cause. That will be like the reading will be like a auto race. When you are reading to the book, when you are reading, it's how quickly you go, how quickly in the race, how quickly you go. Like the book reading is also like the auto race with zoom with the cause. Okay, students. The reading will be like a race that will be auto will soon reach the core. Do you understand? Like that you have to read the books. Okay, come to the next stanza. A glance at history, go back in time. To discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about the lost bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. A glance at history, go back in time. Just read on glance about the history, what happened in previous years. That is about our grandparents' years. Go back in time. Just go back in time and read about it. To discover mystery, solve a crime. Then you can discover, that is, you can find more things about the mystery. What is the meaning of mystery? That is strange one or unknown one thing. That is a strange or unknown thing. Through the reading books, you will find lot of new things. You learn more unknown things through the reading books, and you can solve. Come to the next line. Read about the lost bicycle, where can it be? To discover a mystery, solve a crime, and you can solve, that you can solve many problems. The reading books, when you are reading books, you can find solution of these problems. What is the next line? Read about the lost bicycle. Where can it be? You can read about the lost bicycle. Suppose if you are lost in your bicycle, you read about this and you find when can it be, where can it be. While you are reading the books, you can get the idea where it can be, isn't it? Yes. What is the next line? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Students, you can visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. How it is possible, students? Yes, when you are reading about the mermaid, you will imagine that creature. What is the meaning of mermaid? It's an imaginary creature. It's an imaginary creature. You will go into the imagination about the mermaid when you are reading, isn't it? Yes. Then you will conclude about the picture of the mermaid. Yes, it will be like this. You will find one yourself, isn't it? Yes. These are the imagination where will come, students? Yes. When you are reading, when you are reading only, you will imagine the picture. Mermaid, this is the mermaid picture. Like that you have to imagine, isn't it? Yes. If you are not reading anything, there is no imagination will come to your mind, isn't it? Yes. Okay, students, reading is very good one, isn't it? Yes. That will sharp your mind. That will sharp your mind, isn't it? Yes. So you read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Okay. Okay, students. What are the rhyming words in the first stanza? Yes. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad, learn about space, land on Mars, picture on auto race, zoom with cars. In these lines, Mars, cars are the rhyming words here. Okay. Come to the next stanza. A glance at history, go back in time to discover a mystery, solve a crime, read about the lost bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. In these lines, what are the rhyming words here? Yes. Time, crime. Time, crime. Then BC. BC. These are the rhyming words here. Okay, students, read the poem now. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture on auto race, zoom with cars. A glance at history, go back in time to discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about the lost. Read about the lost bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Okay, students, what do you learn from this poem? Yes, why do we read? Yes, to know what's happening around us, to understand the subject matter, to boost or enhance our imagination, to increase power of judgment, to imbibe ethical or cultural values, to cultivate social sense, to understand human lives or mind, to experience or experiment new things. Okay, students, reading is very good one. It's a good habit. It will increase your imaginary things. It will increase your general knowledge, isn't it? Yes. So you read when you're happy, you read when you're sad. Okay, students? Thank you.